9 months is a very challenging time indeed. But I want to solve the problem as quickly as possible. So I want to give what I regard as a time frame realistic, provided the independent committee is given sufficient means to maneuver, while ensuring the examination is just. They can streamline procedure, give them more flexibility, so that they can finish their work within the 9 months. And I also have given them a reserve power. That is, if the independent committee considers, while examining all these complicated issues, there may be one which they think, by exercising the powers that is given to a statutory commission of inquiry, will help them complete their work, then I'm very willing to consider a recommendation by the independent commission to seek appointing them as the commission of inquiry.
喺呢段時間咧，我哋都希望各位明白，我係雖然呢個係一個委員會，我都係以一個法官嘅身份去主導呢個工作。咁法官亦都有啲專業嘅一啲嘅原則要遵守嘅，包括要公平公正，同埋咧我哋要作一啲理性嘅分析，基於事實去作出任何嘅事實嘅裁斷或者係建議，唔可以感情用事。再者咧，亦都係唔可以咧係有事先設嘅一個立場。其實喺每一次法官審案之前啦，但係咧其實我哋一定最好係一個白紙一張，係唔可以有既定嘅立場。咁所以咧今日咧我恐怕咧就唔係有啲問題咧。如果你問我對一啲嘢嘅意見，或者我哋點樣進行調查咧，其實我恐怕咧我就唔係好似以前我做選管會咁咧有問必答。咁但我好希望各位傳媒朋友同埋市民都係明白到有啲問題，我唔係想逃避你嘅問題，但係有啲問題咧喺現階段咧係唔應該，亦都唔恰當咧由個調查委員會嘅主席咧去作答嘅。咁所以咧喺呢個嘅調查過程之中咧，我相信我都唔會再見到你哋㗎啦。咁直至我哋完個為止。